So I decided just to come for a bit of a drive today, and may or may not have met up with someone you guys may know. This fella, look at it. So he's getting the Unichip fitted to his petrol today. Apparently they don't come with enough power. That's really noisy. Apparently they don't come with enough power, so he has to add some. He's literally on the dyno right now, so let's see what it gets. So I was here with Dave. What numbers are you hoping to get, Dave?
Whoa. I think they say like on 33s, 180 is about standard, and so anything sort of 200 up to 200 is a good number. So on 35s, that's I don't know, maybe take
excuses for one, but keep going, keep going.
It's what happens when it's on the road. Like, it's still going to blow the doors off any Land Cruiser, but
maybe.
So let's aim for 170. Let's do that.
170. So still 7 less than mine, technically.
So it's got big wheels, so I just need to put that out there. So some cars have little tiny wheels, and petrols have big wheels. And being a petrol, like it's either right or it's wrong, opposed to a diesel, like you fiddle around a bit more. So we're going to do a tune, 5 tunes. One's going to be for power on 98, a 95, 91. We're going to do a full drive, which will change the throttle response, and see if we can do something for towing as well. See what happens.
How'd it come up?
So just done dyno run. Started off 126 kilowatts, which is reasonable. Ended up at 163, which is stomping, like heaps of power. And this being petrol, not a diesel, I didn't actually think it would go that far, but it's gone crazy. But what's even better now, we are going to get Stephen Clay's car on the dyno and do a side-by-side run of a petrol chipped and a Land Cruiser chipped on the same dyno. Never before done. Let's do it.
I'm not sure about this. Alright, so Dave's car has done a bit of a run up on the dyno there. 163 on 35s is freaking impressive for any car, I reckon. So the boys here actually offered to put my car back on the dyno, same everything, and run it up right next to it as well, so we can just see what the two cars get. Both of them are chipped. So Unichip for him, Safari chip for me. Oh, a little bit nervous about it. I'm not going to get the same numbers as Dave. Big V8 petrol. He's going to smash me, I know, I can see it already. Alright, let's see what this thing does, eh? Kind of D-time, on D-Day. Car's getting strapped down. He's still chuckling. I think I'm a little bit nervous, I don't know why.
I think mine made 163 point something.
163 on 35s. Yes. Mine ain't gonna make that. Mine got 177 on standard tyres at Safari when I got it done. I've got different tyres on now, some muddies, slightly bigger radius, so it's gonna get slightly less, I understand that. No idea.
It's used to it being slightly less, it's fine.
This guy needs to go home. It's just a warm-up. So the dyno's done and dusted. See you guys, thanks for watching, bye. We ended up with 146 at the wheels, I think it was. 146, yeah? 146.1 apparently, so
not bad for a Land Cruiser, I suppose.
Oh, there you go. 146.5, there you go. You heard it here first.
There we go.
From the Y62 owners that it's not bad for a land snoozer. Not bad overall. Obviously I got 177 last time. Small tyres, they weren't muddies. A whole bunch of other conditions that could play into it. So anyway, nice seeing you guys. Right, so unfortunately I actually had to go back to work straight after that, so I didn't actually do any more filming from it, so we didn't really get to film an outro to it all, so Dave didn't get to say bye to you. I have spoken to him since and he's loving his Unichip and extra power in his car. I'm sure he's going to put up a couple of videos on his own YouTube page for that. Check it out, it's Dash Off-Road, it's a fantastic channel. Obviously if you guys are watching this for the battle series you know all about it anyway. For my subscribers, go check him out, he's great at what he does, he's a good YouTuber, it's fantastic. For anybody who doesn't know, we've actually never met until that day. He'd come across from Adelaide to get the Unichip fitted in Bayswater, just so happens that I work in Bayswater as well. Managed to get a couple of hours off to go down there, say hi, shake hands for the first time. Top bloke, really liked him. Same with his wife, Sharon, beautiful lady. It's a privilege to be able to meet people like that on YouTube. As much as we banter and give each other a bit of crap about our cars, at the end of the day we're just out to have a bit of fun and meet some new mates and hopefully make something that you guys enjoy. So thanks heaps for watching guys. As always, like, share and subscribe the videos for us because we're just trying to get it out there, and we'll see you in the next one. See you guys.